So guys, even though I'm using Windows 11, this will still work for Windows 7. So for the first step, you want to go to the link, which will be down below in the description. It's going to take you to this website to get Bluetooth for Windows 7. Make sure that you're on the latest version, and then scroll down. If you're using a 32-bit computer, you want to go with this download right here, 32-bit. If you're a 64-bit, you want to go with the 64-bit one. To find out which one your computer has on Windows 7, you want to select the Start button. On your case on Windows 7, it's going to be saying Computer. You want to right-click on Computer, then it's going to be saying Properties. You want to click on that. It's now going to be showing your operating system, either 64-bit or 32-bit. Next, you want to choose a download that's applicable to you. And then select I accept. It's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you run this, you want to click on next. Wait for this to load. For me, I can't continue because I'm running Windows 11. But for you, since you're in Windows 7, it's going to let you continue. Once you go through all of this, it's then going to be installed.